One kitty, two kitty, three kitty. One owl, that's Stella. Owl number two. There's a little owl peeking his head. Oh, there he goes. Oh, they're on the same tree. I never see them two together. Look at this. We got two owls together. Hello, beauties. And Boo Boo's safe in the tree. There she is. Where are you going, owl? Oh, you're very, very active tonight. Oh, what's that bird? That was pretty. That's not an owl, though. Oh, I hear you, Ollie. Okay, I gotta find you. What's going on tonight? Ollie, you're a bit extra talkative and flying. Okay, okay. I'm coming. Where are you? I hear you. What is that noise? What is that other noise, though? What is that, you guys? What is that? Ollie, I don't see you. I hear you, but I don't see you. What is that noise? Sounds scary. Where are you? What is that noise? Ollie. I don't know. Ollie. What's happening? I don't see you. Oh, there's Wolfie. Come on, Wolfie. Oh, there you are. You're in that little tree. There you are. Hi, sweetie. What's going on? I feel like something's up tonight. I feel like I'm walking in on something. You okay, Ollie? You okay? It's okay, Wolfie. Oh, there you go. Oh, you look so pretty, Ollie. Why you keep flying back and forth tonight, though? Is something wrong? You okay? Did I come? Yeah? Did you see me today? Did you see me today when I was in the woods looking for you? You're a sweet bird. You're really brave. Yeah. goodness. Hi. It's so nice to see you. There you are. Hello, beautiful. You called me before I even got out of the woods. Yeah, hello. Oh, wow, really? It's lighter today. I can see you better. I came earlier. Yeah? Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Look at you go. Where you going, Ollie? She went right over to that tree. I see you, Ollie. Ollie. I told Ollie I couldn't see him very well in the leaves, and I said, will you go fly up to one of those dead branch trees where I can see you, where nothing else is around you? And like 3 minutes later, here we are. Ollie flew right up there where I could see Ollie, and no other trees or branches or leaves in the way. Right, Ollie? Good job. Good birdie. You're a smart bird. Here you are. I can see you so much better now. There's Ollie. Beautiful Ollie. What's that noise? Huh? Was it a bicycle? Ollie, you got quiet. Everybody got quiet, even all the other birds. Oh, Ollie, you're so cute. Ollie's just looking around. Look how pretty you are. What was that noise? Did you expect to see me in the woods today, Ollie? Oh, I'm so happy we got to see each other. Really? What else did you do today? Huh? What do you think, Lily? I can't really see where you're at. You made a new noise. You made a new noise, sweetie. I didn't know that was you. I'm so happy you found me again. Hello, Ollie. Yes. Oh, I love your little sounds. You're so sweet. Sweet Ollie. I can barely see you. Thank you for coming to see me today during the day. Yeah. That was so nice of you. You're such a sweet owl. Really? You kind of peekabooed around the tree earlier. Yeah, you popped out and said hello. Hello. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. It's hard to capture you on camera. You're so adorable. You're like hiding behind the leaves. There's your little head. Are you watching Lily over there? Hi. Hi, Ollie. Look at you. You're so pretty, Ollie. Ollie's right there in the tree. Oh, there's Ollie. You flew. I can't believe you flew closer to me again. You seem to like that little spot on the top of that stick tree. We got Wolfie, Lily, Shuggy, Sarah, I don't know. Ollie, you're talking so much tonight. I'm so happy to see you. You're so pretty. You're such a pretty bird. Yeah. You're so pretty.